Hi everyone, just a reminder of our open day this Saturday on the 13th of April. Just want to show you the estate that we're in, if you haven't been here before. This is Renegade Winery, and they've got a restaurant as well. They make their own wine. You can go down there and have a glass of wine, something to eat. Up in the estate we've got two breweries, Wildcard and Hackney, and both of them have tap rooms, which is basically a bar that's open, and there's a forecourt to go out and sit in. And we've got a bakery here, does cakes, bread, tea, coffee. And Wildcard will have plenty of seats and chairs out here. And the Hackney Brewery here, they'll have this forecourt full of chairs, tables, all sitting out in the sun. Should be good weather. That's their hot dog stand. And the Wildcard boys have got barbecue. We'll have our DJs. All the scooters are being test ridden, the electric ones, so hope to see you there.